Have you ever wondered what hidden gems lie in the heart of Helsinki, Finland? Nestled in the northernmost corner of the Baltic Sea, Helsinki is a city of contrasts, with an enchanting blend of scenic beauty, historical intrigue, and modern sophistication. Its off-the-beaten-path attractions hint at a unique charm that goes beyond the typical tourist experience. From the labyrinthine streets of unique districts to the whispers of history and its architectural wonders, Helsinki beckons the curious explorer. Join us on a journey to reveal the secrets of Helsinki, a city where history, culture, and nature intertwine. Imagine walking through a city where every corner turns into a canvas of architectural brilliance. That's Helsinki for you. A metropolis where the past and the future coexist harmoniously, reflected in its architectural wonders. Let's start with the modern marvels. The Udi Central Library, a beacon of knowledge, stands out with its undulating wooden facade. It's more than a library, it's a tribute to the Finnish respect for literacy and freedom of speech. Not too far away, the Kiasma Museum of Contemporary Art is a masterpiece that redefines the boundaries of traditional aesthetics. Its intertwining, fluid design makes it a living embodiment of modern art, a testament to the city's forward-thinking spirit. Yet Helsinki's architectural prowess isn't confined to the present. The city's roots are deeply entrenched in its traditional Finnish architecture. Take a stroll through the district of Katajanoka, a neighborhood that's a time capsule of early 20th century Art Nouveau style. Here you'll find the Uspensky Cathedral, an Eastern Orthodox gem with a cascade of onion domes that paints the skyline. In the heart of the city stands the Grand Helsinki Cathedral, a neoclassical wonder that has watched over the city since the mid-19th century. Its stark white facade and green domes are a symbol of the city, a beacon of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. And then there's the Suomenlinna Sea Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This 18th century maritime fortress is an architectural feat that showcases the city's military history, standing strong against the test of time. You see, in Helsinki, the old and new don't just coexist, they thrive together, creating a vibrant architectural tapestry that's as diverse as the city itself. Every building, every district tells a story of the city's journey, from a humble harbor town to a bustling metropolis. In Helsinki, architecture is not just about buildings, it's a story of the city and its people. What if you could taste a city? In Helsinki, you can do just that. Helsinki's culinary scene is an eclectic blend of traditional Finnish flavors fused with modern gastronomic innovations. Let's start with the classics. Helsinki's food culture is deeply rooted in its countryside traditions. From hearty stews to fresh fish dishes, Finnish cuisine is a testament to the country's love for nature's bounty. One must-try is Karelian pie, a rye pastry filled with rice porridge, a humble yet delicious nod to the past. But don't let the traditional fool you. Helsinki is also a city that embraces the new. Modern eateries are pushing boundaries, creating fusion dishes that marry Finnish ingredients with international techniques. You'll find restaurants serving reindeer tartare seasoned with wild berries, or rye bread topped with foraged mushrooms and sea buckthorn. Food markets are another cornerstone of Helsinki's culinary landscape. The Old Market Hall with its century-old charm is a haven for food enthusiasts. Here you'll find everything from smoked salmon to cloudberries alongside delicacies from around the world. And then there's the unique dining experiences. Imagine dining in the dark or on board a historical tram, or even in the midst of a pop-up restaurant during restaurant day, a food carnival where anyone can set up their own eatery. In Helsinki, every meal is an adventure, a delightful exploration of flavors and traditions. So, are you ready to taste Helsinki? Imagine finding tranquility amidst a bustling city. In Helsinki, you can. Let's take a moment to bask in Helsinki's serene waterfront views, an oasis of calm that blankets the city in an atmosphere of soothing tranquility. Here the city meets the sea in a harmonious dance, setting a rhythm that pulses through the city's veins, a gentle reminder of nature's persistent presence in all corners of urban life. The waterfront is a canvas painted with the hues of the changing seasons, a spectacle that captivates the senses and fills the heart with a sense of peace. It's a place where time slows down, where the city's rhythm yields to the gentle lapping of the waves, the distant cawing of seagulls, and the whispering breeze. This waterfront is not merely a sight to behold, but a testament to Helsinki's deep-rooted relationship with nature, a vital component of the city's unique charm. Helsinki's waterfront is not just a view, it's a way of life. What if a city could speak? In Helsinki, it speaks volumes. Picture a city that pulses with a vibrant culture, where every corner and every street echo with the rhythm of life. Helsinki is not just a city of bricks and mortar, it's a living, breathing tapestry of tradition and modernity. The city's parks, filled with the laughter of children and the chatter of locals, are the lungs of this urban expanse. They offer a tranquil respite from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place where Finns connect with nature and each other, in a deeply personal way. The markets are the heartbeat of Helsinki, a testament to the city's love for fresh, local produce. From the scent of freshly baked Finnish pulla wafting through the air to the vibrant array of locally sourced fruits and vegetables, these markets are a sensory delight. Here, every transaction is not just an exchange of goods, but a shared moment of camaraderie and respect. The cultural events of Helsinki are the city's soul, a reflection of the Finnish spirit that values community, creativity, and connection. Whether it's the vibrant Vappu celebration marking the arrival of spring, the enchanting Night of the Arts where the city transforms into an open-air theater, or the cozy Christmas markets that light up the winter nights, Helsinki's cultural calendar is filled with moments of joy and togetherness. The Finnish lifestyle, woven into the fabric of the city, is a beautiful blend of simplicity and sophistication. It's a culture that values silence, yet celebrates life with gusto. It's a culture that cherishes tradition, yet embraces innovation. And it's a culture that respects nature, yet builds architectural marvels that enhance the cityscape. In Helsinki, culture is not confined to museums or galleries. It spills onto the streets, flows through the markets, blooms in the parks, and resonates in the laughter and conversations of its people. In Helsinki, culture is not just the backdrop, it's the protagonist of the city's story. In Helsinki, culture is not something you observe, it's something you live.